Simple machines. Learning objectives. 1. Identify all 6 simple machines. 2. Describe each type of simple machine. 3. Give examples of simple machines. Simple machines. Simple machines make work easier. These machines have one or very few moving parts. Simple machines work by changing the direction or amount of force. Lever. A lever is a device that rests on a fulcrum. It is used to lift or move loads. Wheel and axle. The wheel and axle is a simple tool that helps make work easier. The wheel turns around the axle to move objects. Pulley. A pulley is a tool with a wheel and a rope. It is used to lift or move loads. Wedge. A wedge is a tool that narrows to a thin edge. An axe is an example of a wedge. Screw. Screws are simple tools, rods with edges around a pole. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a tool with a flat surface and elevated at one end. An example of an inclined plane is a ramp. Thank you.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.